The fashion industry's exploration of the cryptoverse is no secret, with brands like Dolce & Gabbana, Gucci, and Tiffany & Company taking their own path down the metaverse runway. Decentraland's Metaverse Fashion Week hinted at a new wave of fashion. The innovative technology has convinced people to pay millions for virtual land, so why not fashion? Although the metaverse does not have the same tangible appeal that draws many people to the fashion industry, it provides a new way to experience wearing pieces digitally through personal avatars. In the fashion industry, a lot of the influence comes from exclusivity, price, outfits, and, in many cases, who one knows. For example, Chanel has a bag quota or purchase criteria, and the waiting list to get a Hermes Birkin or Kelly can be quite long. This exclusivity can be a great way to build interest and demand for a product. Of course, price is also a major factor in the fashion industry. Many people are willing to pay a premium for high-end fashion items, which can help to drive up the prices of these items. The way someone looks in their outfit can also be a major influence on others. If someone looks great in a certain outfit, it may inspire others to want to wear something similar. This is why many people follow the trends set by the top fashion influencer. Prominent brands are already adapting. While it's important for big brands to stick to their traditions, they should also evolve as time goes on. However, it's not easy to appeal to a new user base while still keeping the existing ones entertained. In order to keep customers and enthusiasts loyal to the brand, a hybrid form of digital wearables which complements its physical fashion might be the greatest solution. Tiffany & Company has already done something similar with its CryptoPunk NFT collection NFTs. The luxury jeweler partnered with blockchain platform Centrifuge to mint 9,500 digital collectibles, each representing a different design of a classic Tiffany diamond ring. The NFTs were sold in a digital auction for a total of $1.26 million, with the proceeds going to charity. It's not surprising that Tiffany would be the first luxury brand to experiment with NFTs. The company has always been at the forefront of new technology, from hosting the first live auction of a diamond ring via Skype in 2003 to launching a mobile app in 2010. With its CryptoPunk NFT collection, Tiffany is once again showing its commitment to innovation and its belief in the potential of blockchain technology. The rise of digital fashion. Digital fashion is growing in popularity because it offers a number of advantages over traditional physical fashion. For one, digital fashion can never be destroyed or worn down. It also can be easily customized to fit the wearer's personal style and does not have to be stored. Digital fashion also offers a number of advantages for businesses. For example, businesses can use digital fashion to create unique, one-of-a-kind looks for their products and can even use it to create prototype designs before committing to physical production. Additionally, digital fashion can be used to create marketing materials, such as newsletter and ads, and can be distributed more easily and cheaply than physical fashion. Overall, digital fashion has a number of advantages over traditional physical fashion. For businesses and individual consumers alike, digital fashion is the way of the future. It offers many advantages that traditional fashion cannot compete with. The future of fashion. The retail industry is currently undergoing a major shift as e-commerce grows in popularity. In the past, shopping was an in-person experience where customers would go to a store, try on clothes, and make a purchase. However, this is no longer the only way to shop. With the rise of e-commerce, customers can now purchase items online without ever having to step foot in a store. E-commerce has a number of advantages over in-person shopping. For starters, it is more convenient for customers as they can shop from the comfort of their own homes. Additionally, e-commerce provides a wider selection of products and brands to choose from. In recent years, there has been an increase in the amount of people who spend time in virtual realities. While some use these realities as an escape from their day-to-day lives, others use them as a way to connect with others from all over the world. One of the most interesting things about virtual reality is that it allows people to create a virtual presence that is either an extension of their physical self and personality or something completely different. This can be a great way for people to explore different aspects of their personality or to try out different identities.